So Jakey, he's getting some treats. You ready? He's just having a good time. So here it is, April 30th, 2016. It's a great day with Jakey with the Bark in the Park dog. Isn't he beautiful? He just had a bath. He looks all good. He's just taking a couple treats and having some fun. So we hope everybody has a great day. Happy May Day. That's tomorrow. I think it's May 1st. I'm making it up. Anyway, love you, Jakey. Bye.